How did protons and neutrons combine to form elements after the Big Bang? Protons and neutrons combine to form elements in a process called Big Bang nucleosynthesis. After the Big Bang, the universe was very hot and dense. As the universe expanded and cooled, protons and neutrons began to combine to form atomic nuclei. For protons and neutrons to combine, they must overcome the repulsive force of their positive charges. This is possible because of the strong nuclear force, which is a short-range force that is much stronger than the electromagnetic force. The process of protons and neutrons combining to form atomic nuclei is as follows. 1. Protons and neutrons approach each other. 2. The strong nuclear force acts between the two particles, causing them to combine. 3. An atomic nucleus is formed. In addition to the strong nuclear force, the process of protons and neutrons combining to form atomic nuclei is also assisted by the decay of neutrons into protons. Neutrons are composed of one proton and one electron. When a neutron decays into a proton, an electron is emitted. In the Big Bang nucleosynthesis process, mostly hydrogen and helium are formed. Hydrogen is an atom with one proton, while helium is an atom with two protons and two neutrons. After the Big Bang nucleosynthesis process, the universe continued to expand and cool, making it impossible to form heavier elements. Therefore, most of the elements that exist in the universe were formed in the Big Bang nucleosynthesis process. The process of protons and neutrons combining to form elements in the Big Bang nucleosynthesis process is driven by two main factors. 1. The strong nuclear force. This force is responsible for binding protons and neutrons together. 2. The decay of neutrons into protons. The energy released when a neutron decays into a proton helps to bind the atomic nucleus together. The combination of these two factors allowed protons and neutrons to combine to form atomic nuclei, which in turn created the majority of the elements that exist in the universe. Summary. 1. After the Big Bang, the universe cooled to the point where neutrons began to decay into protons. 2. As the universe cooled further, protons and neutrons began to combine to form atomic nuclei. 3. The Big Bang nucleosynthesis process produced mostly hydrogen and helium. 4. The strong nuclear force and the decay of neutrons into protons were both essential for the formation of elements in the Big Bang nucleosynthesis process. This process is responsible for the formation of most of the elements that exist in the universe today.